Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I am literally going to show you how to clone a $10,000 website using Loveable in literally a few minutes. Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is probably going to be the easiest thing you do today. If you're watching this video, you can jump into loveable.dev, sign up for free, and follow along. So here we are. This is the interface. I've just signed in here, and I'm going to clone this site. So this is an online store, and it allows you to make purchases and customize whatever you're purchasing. Okay. However, this website doesn't really say customize to me. It kind of looks boring. The blue is kind of bland and it looks old and very sort of corporate looking. Okay. The blue and the yellow, not very exciting. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and I have created this prompt, clone this website, and you are going to add in the website, but with the following aesthetic changes. Make the design more colorful, bold, and visually engaging. Focus on enhancing the user experience by improving the color scheme, typography, and overall styling. Okay, so all we did was went into the website, made sure that it was on its home page, so in its most basic form. Click on that URL, literally Control-C, copy that, and then paste it in over here. Now you can change your themes, your style, you can create new. But for now, we are going to let Loveable literally do all of this for us because this is the point, right? Let's go and click on send. Ladies and gentlemen, within a few minutes, you can see over here, 15:39. My current time is 15:46, so that's like 7 minutes. But it took a little bit less than 7 minutes because I stepped away for a second to grab a drink. So you can see that it's done quite a bit of work. And this is literally what the website looks like. So it's taken the same name. It's kind of got the same functions. You can see like gifting, clothing, custom products here, gifting, clothing, custom products, and so on. The aesthetic is definitely, in my opinion, better. Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you think? But this basically is awesome. You can, in fact, make changes. And let me show you. The first thing you can do is go and click here, and you can actually say, hey, can you change the contact details? Can you make the ribbon of products categories run vertically? You can then also go and click on visual edits. Now, once you click on here, you'll be able to actually come over, if you just give it a second, and then you can actually click on each one of these elements. So let's just say you want to change the name, or you want to change what the search products bar looks like, or the little the cart, whatever it is. All you need to do is click on it. And now you can tell it what you want to change. So ask Loveable to modify the selected element. And you just dial in your changes. And there we go. We have literally cloned this website within a matter of minutes and a simple prompt.